Hi everyone, and welcome back to the KO Data Insights channel. I'm Kalina, and today I'm going to show you how to create stunning infographic visuals in your Power BI reports. Specifically, we'll be creating a waterfall chart, a visual that's both functional and visually appealing. What's a waterfall chart? Well, it's a square grid where each square represents a proportion of the total, making it a great choice for showcasing high-level summary statistics like percentages. And while Power BI's built-in visuals are powerful, sometimes they lack the flair need to grab attention. And that's where the waterfall chart shines. So this is the final result that we'll get. And let me show you step by step how you can create this. But first, let's look at the data we'll be working with. This data is from the latest US elections, and it classifies the voters into different categories. So, for example, homeowners I have in the statistics as 65% of the voters owning a home. And if we get rid of this flag being false and select only true values, so these values here are the percentages that you see here on the waterfall chart. So starting from scratch, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have this infographic designer in your Power BI desktop. If it's your first time working with this infographic designer, you need to go on Get More Visuals and install this to your visuals. It's Microsoft certified visuals, so it's absolutely secure and reliable. And so this is the infographic designer that you need to install. I already have it. It's with this tulip icon, so I'll just select it. And I need to add some data. So I'll be adding the percentages, and also in the column by section, I'll be adding the actual classification. So these are our numbers. If I go back to the end result, so these are the numbers that we have. Now, the next step is to add these colors here, so the actual bricks of our waterfall chart, and then we can do this from this edit icon here. And these waffles need to be on different layer, and I'll keep it simple for now. I'll add the same shape for all of the classifications, and later on I'll show you how to change these icons if you want to have different icon for homeowners, for education, and so on. So for now, I'll stick to the rounded square. And the important setting that I need to change here is I need to enable multiple units. So this allows me to have these repetitive waffles in each category. And then I need to edit also the row count. As we are working with percentages, we need to have these waffles being 10 by 10, representing 100% or 100 people. And yeah, this is how we get that. So row units to be 10, and units per row also to be 10. Now the next important setting that we need to change is we need to make sure that the colored waffles are representing the same meaning as the numbers we had below. And this is done from this few percentage setting. So we have a column that we need to use here, and it's our value column. Now by default, this few percentage takes the maximum value that's available in the dataset, which in our case is 81%. But as we'll be working with 100%, we need also to change the maximum value of being 100. So that now is matching with the numbers we have in the previous layer. Now the next thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that the numbers are visible. And now you can see that they are behind, they're left behind. From this icon here, we can change the order of the different layers that we are adding in this infographic designer. So I'll change this bricks to be sent to back. And if I go for a minute, so this is how our visual looks so far. Let's check what else we need to do. So on this visual here, we also have these white circles and these colored blue circle that's like frame to the number. If you want to add this as well to be more like visually appealing, it's another 2 layers that we need to create. So let's start with the white circle. So that will be another solid circle. And we need to change its color to be white. So we need to change this from value color, select white. And then another important setting that we need to change is the layout for the circles. So the layout setting needs to be adjusted to 30% from each side, so that we have proper spacing and we see the bricks and the circle only in the middle. Of course, this setting here is depending on your preference, so we can have less or more than 30%. But yeah, let me change for now to 30 on each side. Okay. And now if we get back to the view, we see that if we arrange this visual properly, we see that we have this circle format, and we need to repeat this for the frame of the circle. Okay. And now I need to change the layout, so our text layer needs to be in front. So we've successfully created a visually stunning waffle chart using the Infographic Designer visual in Power BI. With these steps, you can turn raw data into engaging visual story that grabs attention and communicates effectively. If you enjoyed this tutorial, Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the KO Data Insights channel for more tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments if there is a specific visual or technique you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.